Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make these small latch back hoops. And you can make these as large or as small as you would like to. This is 18 gauge brass wire. I'm also going to use a round nose pliers and a chain nose, and this is a small nail polish bottle. I'm also going to use this flush cutter, a jeweler's file, and a ruler, a bench block, and this hammer. To begin, I'm going to trim the wire flush. To do so, you turn the back of the flush cutter towards the wire. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a loop, and I ensure that I cannot feel the wire sticking out. Then I twist my dominant hand away from me, adjust the pliers, and twist again to make the loop. Then I place my thumb and index finger under the loop, insert the pliers, then slightly twist it towards me to center the loop. Next, I'm going to grab the bench block and the hammer. Then I'm going to hit the loop a few times, and this is going to work hard in the loop. And afterward, you'll need to go back in with your round nose pliers to close the loop. With the loop pointing towards my left, I'm going to place it onto the bottle, and you want to wrap it around the bottle as tight as possible. So you basically just press down onto the loop, then wrap the wire around the bottle as tight as you can, then remove it. Then use your cutter to cut about 0.5 inch away from the loop. So you'll do the other just the same, except the loop is going to be pointing towards your right. Next, I'm going to take the end of the wire and thread it through the loop. Then place it back onto the bottle, and I'm going to use my chain nose pliers to press it down. I'm using the chain nose pliers to pull the wire through as tight as possible, and then I'm just going to bend it up like this. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trim the excess wire. I measure 0.3 centimeter from the bend, and this is where I'm going to trim the excess wire. Then once you've done that, you just go in with your file to smooth the end of the wire. I'm going to hammer this part just a little bit, and once I've done that, I'm going to focus more on the bottom and also the sides. You want to be careful not to strike the loop. So once I'm done hammering, I place it back onto the bottle to reshape it. And I also use the chain nose to assist me with that. So you can use this exact way to make them as large or as small as you would like to. All you'll need to do is to wrap the wire around something that is large or something that is small. To open it, you push down on this part, and this is a part that you are going to insert, and then you just slightly twist it. Then once you've inserted it, you twist back, then push down again and push it through the loop. Okay, I do hope this was helpful, and if you've got any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.